Now, here's the deal. The way our contracts are written, the EMD, like it doesn't actually have a timeline on when that EMD is due. So it doesn't really matter. I do everything I can to get them off the EMD because it doesn't really matter. Again, like if we're going to cancel, we're going to cancel within the inspection period. We're never going to go beyond the inspection period. And you could literally tell somebody that, like, hey, look, I would say that's like the last thing you want to do to defend a lower EMD. The first thing you do is like, hey, we do such a volume of deals. We're doing, 30 to 50 deals. I mean, if we put up the EMD that you're talking about on every single deal, that's like $250,000, and it's not a wise business decision to keep a bunch of your own cash in the business, especially $250,000 a month, right? So you're not paying financing costs. We're deploying all of that capital to invest, right? Because we want our money working for us, right? But the thing is, we bring other investors in. And so if we're using $250,000 on EMD, right? Like private money is, around 10%. That's $25,000 a year for every month's worth of EMD that we're putting out. That's a lot of money, which means our offer to you would have to be lower, right? And you certainly don't want a lower offer, right, Mr. Jones? Well, no, definitely. Okay, got it. Well, the reason we're able to get you the offer where it is based on the way our business model is structured, which is with this $100 EMD. And again, it doesn't really matter. We intend on closing. We do all of our underwriting up front, so we're confident in moving forward. Usually that'll overcome it. It's very rare that doesn't overcome it. And then if they're still hesitant, it's like, look, the reality is if there's even a remote chance that this can't get done, they're going to cancel it before the inspection period is up, which means the EMD is going to be refundable, which means it doesn't matter, right? It changes nothing for you, right? All it does is give you a warm and fuzzy feeling, right? And so I'm happy to give you a little bit of a warm and fuzzy feeling, but it's not going to be a $5,000 warm and fuzzy feeling. It might be maybe $1,000 at best.